Hi kids, I'm back, and this week we're going to practice doing compound words. Now we haven't really done these too much before, but I think you're going to be really good at it. So compound words are when you take two words and you put them together and it makes a brand new word. So I'm going to show you some pictures and we're going to put them together to make a new word. Okay, here we go. So the first, let me read you the pictures. You can look at them. So I have a pan, I have a man, cake, and some snow. So those are all different words, but when we put two of them together, it's going to make a brand new word. So right now, just by looking at them, can you think of two pictures that we can put together and make a new word? Let's see. So the first word we have, let's look at pan. So I can say pan, snow. Is that a word, pan, snow? What about pan, cake? Oh, let's put those together. Pan, cake. That turns into pancake, right? So that's a compound word. We took pan and we took cake and we put them together and it made pancake. So let's try the next two. We have man, snow. That doesn't sound right, but what if we say snow, man? It turns into snowman. So we took two words and we put them together and we made a new word. So what I want you to do this week is think of some words that you can put together to make a new word. I want you to try to come up with 3 compound words. So I'm going to show you mine. I just have a paper and a pencil. First things first, it's always the same. I pick up my pencil and I write my name, Miss Henderson. And I always put the date because you guys are getting ready for first grade. It's April, uppercase A because it's the name of the month. April. For Miss Henderson, it's the 26th, 2020. So get a sheet of paper, crayons, markers, whatever you have, and I want you to come up with 3 compound words. So you can draw pictures and label them. So I'm going to be thinking, I'm going to think of the word rain. So I'm going to draw a little picture. This is rain coming out of the clouds. So I'm going to put rain. I'm going to sound it out. Rain. What word can I add to rain to make a new word? Rainbow. Bow. So if I add, let me draw a picture like a bow. Bow. It's not a b-o. Rainbow. And I added them together, so let's put a little plus symbol, kind of like we're adding like math. Rain plus bow equals a rainbow. Let me draw a little rainbow. I'm going to add some color to this too so it looks really nice. Rainbow. Let's sound it out. Rainbow. So that's my first compound word. Now I need to come up with 2 more. So let me think. Lip. So I draw lip. Like the lip. Sound out. L, I, P. Big line down. Little curve. Lip. Now I need to add another word to that to make a brand new word. So lip. Lipstick. Like some women, they wear lipstick. So let's add a little plus. Stick. So I need to draw a picture of a stick. A wooden, like you find on a tree, a little stick. Lipstick. Sound out stick. S, T. Big line down. Middle line. I, K. C or K. Lip. Stick. So when I put those 2 together, it makes a compound word. Lipstick. Let's see if I can draw some lipstick. It normally comes in like a tube. And I'm going to color that red like it's red lipstick. Okay, so I have, oh, we got to write our word, lipstick. L, P, S, T, I, lipstick. Okay, so I have two compound words. I did rainbow and lipstick. So I need to come up with one more compound word. Let me think. Well, it's really sunny outside today. As you can see, like the sun's on my papers. Let me draw a sun. Here's my sun. Let me write the word sun. S. U. N. It's a little blurred. Let me see if I can fix that for you guys. There we go. Sun. Now I need to come up with another word to add to sun to make a brand new word. Oh, it keeps getting blurry. Silly camera. There we go. Sun. So look at my window. I actually see a flower in my neighbor's yard. Sunflower. Let me draw a flower. And I'm going to label my flower. F-O-L-O. Flower. And if I put those two words together, it's going to make a new word, sunflower. And sunflowers are normally they're very tall, so I need a long stem. Sunflower. They're yellow, so I'm going to color this yellow when I'm done. Let's label that sunflower. S-U-N-F-O-L-O-R. Sunflower. So I made a new word. I took sun and flower and I put them together and I made a compound word, sunflower. So Miss Henderson came up with 3 compound words. I did rainbow, lipstick, and sunflower. I'm going to color them and make them look really nice. But what I want you to do at home is to try to come up with 3 compound words. And you can have your mom help you, your brother, your sister, dad. Have anybody help you. Write them down. Don't forget to label. Draw some pictures. And send me your 3 compound words that you came up with. I look forward to seeing them. I love you guys very much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.